Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So in my previous video, I showed you how to make a DIY faux marble folder using contact paper that you have left over. The nice thing about using this product is it allows you to have a reusable folder for long term instead of a 35-cent or a $1.25 folder, which will have easier wear and tear. As you can see in this video, I still have plenty of that contact paper, so I'm going to use just a little bit of it just to give the matching notebook the amount of contact paper that I feel is appropriate. I really didn't feel like it needed a whole lot of the contact paper, and I only plan to use it for just the front cover, as it is not something that can be reused anyways. Once the inner pages are all used up, then the cover really doesn't matter unless you decide to keep it for purposes in the future, which I can't really think of. However, if I come up with something, it may be a future video, or if you have any ideas that you'd like to share, please let me know in the comments below. The application process for this is not easy in my personal opinion, and so you can see that I go ahead and redo it from scratch all over again. And I'm glad I did, otherwise it would have, in my opinion, looked really awful. So in doing this project, I'm not looking for perfection here. I'm just doing the best that I can to get it to look at least decent on the notebook, and I'm going to go ahead and cover up the 3 holes completely and use regular tape to make sure that the holes on the inside of the cover of the notebook won't be sticking to anything at all. And I just leave it at that. I don't really mind because I'm not planning on putting this inside of a binder anyways. So I tend to prefer to cut off the corners towards sort of the end of folding over and adhering the excess edges to the other side of the cover. But once you do that, it is time to create the template for the label. I already have a template that I've used from the previous videos, so I'm just going to cut out another index card down to size and add my subject on there, and then go ahead and adhere it using double-sided tape. And I also decided to take the label I just made and go ahead and ink the edges with the black ink pad. And then I called that done. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this project and if you might be inspired to make one yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!